Traders and investors, I'm looking at a beautiful opportunity here on Linde PLC. This is the Helium stock. Guys, this stock has been performing extremely well. Look at this. It's been giving us higher highs and higher lows, right? Look at this move from here. High, give us a low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And now you can see it's pumping, right? And this is on demand right now. Why? Because, you know, semiconductors are needed for AI related stuff, including microchips. Remember, there's no data centers without memory, right? They need the chips, they need the storage. So, yeah, the demand is way too high. And if Trump blocks the Strait of Hormuz, we'll have a problem because the demand will be high, but the supply might be tight because of that blockage. But let's see how these things will be handled. Let's go to the 1 month time frame because I showed you guys the 3 month time frame gave us a clean price action. Right here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the current breakout. You can see the previous, not even the previous. Let's say 2 months ago, it broke the structure, this structure, right, with this bullish candle here. You guys can see this extreme bullish candle. It broke that zone. And now we anticipate to see the market continuing further up, right? So secondly, we have this support. We definitely have to mark the support, although it doesn't matter anymore because the market already broke the resistance. We just anticipate to see it continuing, going further and further up. I just wish I saw this opportunities earlier, but I think we can be able to catch the moves since it's just breaking this resistance zone, right? I know it's a bit risky, but we'll find a way, right? There's always a way on the small time frames. Okay, we can see that the weekly time frame gave us a clean breakout. You can see gave us a push, break, and this is a retracement, right? So we think that it's about to continue pumping up, but where to? That's the thing. We need to look at what is the number that it can reach, right? So what I love doing, right? Let me show you. I love using trend lines to check my support and resistance zones, right? I'll try and find a way to draw my trend line. Okay. Yeah, based on this trend line, you can see that's a possible area that it can reach up there, right? Let's look at the number real quick. Let's drag this trend line towards the upside and see what number is that. What number is that? Let's do this. We're looking at almost 600. Let's say 600 or 620, somewhere there. Yes, there's a high chance that this asset can reach somewhere around 600 or 620. Do you see, guys, how essential and important trend lines are? Because they help you to identify certain resistance zones that this asset is able to reach so that you are able to, take your decisions in a manner that is calculated and properly, right? Because you can just buy without knowing the possible areas that it can reach, right? Because we can see there's a demand. The other thing is that we'll also look at fundamentals. I'll try and create fundamental videos for you so that you can see. But so far, you have an idea, right? Because there's no microchips without semiconductors, and there's no semiconductors without helium, because helium is used to cool semiconductors. You get the point. So at the end of the day, we'll always look at bullish moves because these things are on high demand right now because of the modern technology. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at on helium. This helium stock, Linde PLC. Then let's go to the daily time frame. Look, it's simple. There will always be a pullback, right? Because you can see now it's breaking structures on the daily time frame, and the structures will definitely need a pullback, right? We have this support, current support on the daily chart, and we have our current daily resistance. So we'll always see those market opportunities and be able to catch those market opportunities, right? Because even though it decides to go break that resistance there, it will still pull back. Then we catch our entries. This is why I'm saying you don't need to panic and say, no, it's already up, I can't catch the trades. You can, as long as you catch the trade from here When it goes up to break the next resistance, you trail your stop loss, you secure your profits, then you hold towards, let's say, 600. Guys, do you see where 600 is? It's very far. So if you have a skill like mine where you will be able to scale your positions, then this is good for you. So yep, this is what I have for you guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get updated each and every time when I drop these videos, because I'm about to drop as many videos related to this. So thank you very much for watching. Peace.